Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the mechanics of operating a stacker machine. It's going to be an easy process for people that just now beginning how to operate a stacker machine. This is a basic one-on-one. As you can see right here, this stacker machine is turned off. And I can actually turn the stacker machine on when the stacker end-feed change, because it's the end-feed before it go on the actual hook. So I'm going to turn it on right here. As you can see, it's off. I can run it in auto. I'm gonna actually turn. You just gotta turn the start and actually turn it on. So now it's on. What you see right here is the cherry skid. The cherry skid on the console is right there. Got in the auto, but now it's off because I haven't actually got no product up there to actually call this transition. Okay. But now as you can see, I'm gonna turn the cherry skid up, down. You see it up, it's down. It's down right now. Up, down, up. You don't have to actually utilize that unless you have the boards lingering back. And this right here, when you see the boards hooked up on, this is the cherry hook. Okay, I'm gonna let it down so you can see a board come out. It actually lifts the two boards up, and I can actually do the cherry skid. Now, two boards came for. I need 5 boards to actually make this a whole layer. So I'm gonna let the cherry hook down again, but I'm gonna time it for like 3 boards to come out. There's 2 boards. There's one over there. One board. Then I'll let the skids back up. Cherry skid. But you don't actually have to operate like that. It's just too slow. So now I'm going to run the whole process, but I actually have to make a stacker fork cycle where you actually see it go on the layer on there. Bam. You see this come out. 5 boards. You see the whole process. Hit it again. Right, I see now. Hold on 1 minute. So I hit it again. Now after I hit it, then nothing works. So nothing is something that actually tripped out. Let me just check into it so y'all can just go along with me the whole process. As I can see, everything is auto, everything is in auto, everything is down. Okay. So the primary lift is in main, and that's why I didn't move. I have to put this in auto. Now, I hit the fork cycle again. This here just solved the problem. Let's see.